罄竹难书，罄竹难书，罄竹难书。It means too many sins to write down. The sins committed are too many and too egregious to write down or record. 罄 is a transitive verb meaning use up, exhaust. 竹 is a noun meaning bamboo. Originally, the word 竹 in this idiom refers to all the bamboo in a specific mountain called the South Mountain. 难 is an adverb meaning with great difficulty. Here actually means out of the question, which modifies the verb 书 meaning write down. Here it has the connotation of record. Note here, 书 can also mean book when used as a noun. So what does this mean? Literally, this idiom means that even if you had used up all the bamboo in the South Mountain, you would not be able to write down, record, or document the sins or crimes committed because of the numerousness and egregiousness. And you may ask, what's bamboo got to do with this? Here is why. Chinese idioms are actually cultural heritage from ancient China, and this idiom is no exception. Before the making of paper was invented, people wrote and recorded things on pieces of bamboo and then stringed them together. Although the four words have different parts of speech, this idiom is used as an adjective and can also be a predicate adjective. For example, 这些邪恶之人所做的坏事真是罄竹难书. What these evil people did was really beyond description. Or, words cannot describe what these evil people did. It can also be used as a noun modifier. For example, 罄竹难书的罪恶. 罪恶 means sins or crimes. Here, we add one word 的 to the idiom to form a noun modifier.